Imagine a life where you stay hooked to a machine for several hours every week just to keep living. I'm sure none of us want to have that kind of life. But that is just the reality for millions of people living with kidney failure. The good news is this: there are proactive steps that one can take to avoid such a fate. I'll be revealing some crucial steps in this video for you to learn how you can avoid this in the first place. Our kidneys play an important role in helping to balance the electrolytes in the body, to remove excess fluids and toxins from the body, and also to regulate the blood pressure. But when the kidneys get damaged, these factors becomes very detrimental to the health, and one can start living on dialysis, depending on dialysis to keep alive. Like I said, the good news is that all this can be prevented by taking some proactive steps. Before I go into that, my name is Pharmacist Ogunjofo. I'm a preventive healthcare expert. I take delight in helping hundreds of people around to live their fullest, healthiest lives possible just by indulging in some lifestyle changes and modifications. This doesn't cost you anything, just some little discipline to say no to some things and to adopt to some changes that will make all the difference. The first tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to remove toxins and cleanse your kidneys. So opt for a minimum of 8 glasses of water every day. This will help you to flush out the toxins from your kidneys. Staying hydrated doesn't mean overdoing it. You need to strike a balance here. And for some of you who finds it difficult to drink plenty of water daily, you can do some things like adding a slice of lime or lemon into the water, which makes it to be more appealing. Second tip, eat balanced meals rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. You are what you eat, so goes the popular saying. So when our meals are laced with these varieties, they help us to stay in good health. And also in our diet, let's reduce intake of salt, because salt increases the blood pressure. And when your blood pressure increases, it adds strain on your kidney. Also opt for fresh foods. They are better than the processed foods that are all over in all the grocery shops around the world. Third tip is exercise regularly. Physical activity is great in helping you to maintain a healthy weight, reduce your blood pressure, and give you a sense of overall well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes every other day of moderate intensity exercise. You must not start big. Little steps consistently over the time. Fourth tip is to minimize the overuse of some drugs like the over-the-counter medications. Some of these classically are the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. These drugs are overused in many parts of the world and they are damaging to the kidneys. Please rely on your doctors for your prescribed medications and don't take medications without getting prescriptions from your doctor. Fifth tip, don't smoke. Smoking can harm your blood vessels. They reduce blood flow to the kidneys and they can increase your risk of having kidney diseases. If you smoke, you need to really talk to your healthcare provider to seek help in order to stop smoking. Also, stay away from friends or colleagues who are smokers, because when you're around in the circle, it's very difficult to stop. Sixth, go for regular routine checkups. Yes, most diseases, when detected early, can be handled easily, and kidney diseases are not left out. Have a regular check, maybe twice a year, with your doctor or your healthcare provider to make sure that all your numbers and all your organs are in good position. Seventh tip is keep an eye on your blood pressure and your blood sugar level. High blood pressure and diabetes are overall part of the leading causes of kidney diseases all over the world. Regular checks with your doctor and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help you to avoid these conditions. And if you're already having high blood pressure, I made a comprehensive video on how you can effectively lower your blood pressure by some lifestyle modifications. Check out the video. Taking care of your kidneys is essential for your overall health. These tips that I've shared today will help you to prevent kidney damage and avoid dialysis. If you find this video interesting and informative, please like the video, share with friends and family, And don't forget to give me some thumbs up. And if you have questions and clarifications, hit my comment section. I like hearing from you. Till the next time, I'm wishing you the best of health. I am Pharmacist Nkechi.